making a new video and she's gonna make a new video. She's gonna try a new toy. It's for the head.
Abot mo sa akin po.
She will go to the Taekwondo center.
Pasil kita eh.
She's coach didn't give her the red belt, so that she ordered in Shopee black belt. See? But in a few days, she will not use it.
Pasil kita eh.
She's gonna flex it first, then she's not gonna use it anymore. See? It's for jogging. She's gonna combine it with this toy. So guys, while you're playing boxing, there's a new game, boxing.